Hi, I'm Mike Messina. This is my 1963 Studebaker Hawk GT. I had this car about 15 years. It's been restored about 6. I bought this car with my uncle about 15 years ago, and it didn't look much like this when I purchased it. It took about 1.5 years to get the restoration completely done. I took the car all apart, had it painted, did the interior myself, rebuilt the motor myself, and everything's stock on the car except the wheels, and I did put a 4-barrel carburetor on it. Original motor, original parts, original everything on the car. New paint, of course, and then a new interior, but everything's the same colors that came out of the factory. I did put American racing wheels on the sides, put some different tires on it, rides a little better with the better tires on it. I did chrome out some of the emblems that were originally gold, but it's all the original trim, original everything on the car. So interior's original red color that it came with. Everything's stock inside. There was a upgraded radio in there. All the wiring's been redone to the car. All new rubber. 4-speed. Borg Warner. That's about it. That's about all I got to tell you. But everything else is, all the chrome's been repolished or redone as much as I could.
How many they made of these?
You know, somewhere like in the 3,000 range. It was an expensive car in '63. It was about as much as a '63 Cadillac. So if a lot of people bought the Cadillac rather than buying the Studebaker. So original dual exhaust on the back, the way it would have came out of the factory. It's a pretty heavy car. It's actually I have a Ford Expedition. It's almost as long as my Ford Expedition. Let me pop the hood for you.
Oh, the guy found it.
Yeah, he got me. It has the original Studebaker 289, but it does have an additional Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor on it. But same color scheme, it would have came out of the factory in '63. So all original motor, all original parts, original radiator, original hood. It did change over alternator system. It did have a generator on it. Put an alternator on it. Yeah, everything else fact. Windshield wiper, motor stock. Intake manifold stock, everything's original. So
when you get tired of this car, you can give it to me. I'm so happy to get it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The front looks like a race.
Yeah, it's got a different looking front on it. Yeah, it's like 3 different cars when you look at it. It's like an older Chevy, then like a Ford, then like actually the back is supposed to be like a '63, '62 Ferrari, they say, but I don't know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, thanks for watching. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Wave, guys, wave.